from here. So if we have select something from customers, this is our table, and I will select count first name from customers. So I will count the records of the first name column. Have 100.
Sorry, I can't see the screen.
Can see. Oh, sorry. What about now? What is the screen? Yes. Yeah. So this is the characteristic from the table. So just display the records of the table. Then I will count the number of records for the first column, this one. And we have 100 record. If I say that where customer underscore ID greater than 40. We have 60 records, so it will start counting from 41 till 100. What if I say that do we have select, I would say some customer ID, just to show you the ID from customers. $5,050. I'll say that here beside the customer ID, I'll say count asked. So we could have multiple aggregate functions. So if we have customer ID and the count. So the sum of IDs and the count of records. And say, for example, min customer ID. It works also. We have 3 records. And I'll say here, for example, where customer ID is less than 44. This is the sum, this is the count, and this is the ID. And I'll say, for example, here more, comma, max, customer ID. So we could have multiple aggregate functions. Now, because you could do aggregate functions, we have a scenario. Let me share here. Without let's okay. Yes. We have a table. Just 2 columns. Just 2, I know. I would say department and salary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. IT, finance, HR, admin, legal. IT. We have these records. If I write the command select sum salary from DB1, the result it will be 3,000 plus 2,000 plus 2,500 plus 1,000 plus 700, 1,200. So it will add the summation of all these records. Just an example, it will be 7,300. Just an example, okay, roughly. So when we hit run here, we have 7,300. It's the total salary, the total summation of the total salary of these departments. What if I want the total salary based on department? So that means I want the total salary for the IT department, the total salary for the finance, HR, admin, legal. Currently, we have 2 records of the IT. Total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records. But for these records, we have for these 2 rows, we have 2 records for the IT. So the total salary of IT should be the 3,000 plus the 1,200. It will be 4,200. So we need to update this select command. It will be group based. Select. I'll say department sum salary from TB1. When we will hit enter here, it will do a grouping. Now, group by depth. Because we want to do the aggregation here based on groups, the groups that, okay, I want to create groups, I want to do the summation of the department based on the groups. What do I mean the group? Based on the department here. So at the end, we will have depth and sum salary. We will have IT, finance, HR, admin, and legal. So that means we will not have 2 records for IT. It will sum up both of them in 1 record. It will be 4,000 200 because we have two records. So it will do the summation of 3,000 with 1,200. Do we have more two records or multiple records of finance? No, we have only one record. So the result for finance will be 2,000. Similarly with the HR, it will be 2,500. Similarly with the admin, 1,000 and 700. Here, it will do the summation and aggregates. So, I have a question. By the way, is it clear to now? Okay, so I do have a question. What's the sequence of execution this command? We have multiple, now we have multiple clauses. We have this clause, and this one, and this one. So which one comes first? Which one comes second and third? This is first, 2, 3. Which one is the first one?
From, group
Okay.
by, and select, and
And
sum.
select. Yeah, and sum is part of select. Part
Yeah.
is part of select. Yeah.
Okay.
The idea here, what it will do? From, it will bring the whole table. Depth and salary with all the values here. This is the from. The second step is a group by. It will break down this one large. It was an IT, finance, HR, admin, legal, and we have more here, IT. It will break down this one large table to smaller tables, which means it will create a table for each department. So we have depth, salary. Here we have IT, two records of IT, 3,000, 1,200. We have a column for finance, also depth, salary, FIN, I think 2,500, I'm not sure. And third one for the depth, salary, HR, also we have a record here. And we have a record for also depth, salary for admin, a value here, and also here for legal. So we'll have, this is the group by. It will break down the whole table to small tables based on the department, because here we say the group by depth. So the tables, these small tables will be based on the department ID column. Then from this department ID, what we will do, we say that, okay, I need the sum of salary based on department. So it will sum the 3,000 plus 1,200. We have 4,200. And here we have the value, and here we have the value, and here we have the value. So at the end, we have 5 records. Each record represents a group by, or a group. The group is the departments, IT, finance, HR, admin, and legal. Sum, salary. So we are doing group by. This is group by. It's breaking down one large table to smaller tables. Then, is it clear to now? Does this part clear? The group by? Okay. What if we have select, or say depth, sum, salary from TB1 where salary is greater than 700, for example. Group by debts. So currently we have first clause, second, third, and fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which clause is the first one?
From.
From, correct. So we have from, then followed by what do you think?
It should be where, I guess.
Where?
Yeah.
And then
Group by.
Exactly, group by. And then select. So that's mean select comes the first one or executed the last one. So here, if we want to a sketch, we have from, then we have where, then we have a group by, and then we have select. This is the sequence. We are narrowing the records, narrowing the number of records. Here we have a whole table, while here we have few records based on our needs. Now, what if we have what do we call it? We call it select where aggregates and or why I think I will stop now. I think I will stop now today because we covered a lot. We covered too much. Yeah, because next week we have to cover the like join and in areas. Okay. Yeah. I think that's all for today because we covered a lot. Yeah. So let me stop recording and let me mark our attendance.